Good evening to all of you. Is it audible to everyone? So last class on Saturday, we already discussed the problems related to analogy. So in analogy problems, we know how to approach those problems that may be the letter related or number related. Clear? So whenever they given two pairs of the numbers, we have to find the next number in the given sequence. The next number in the given sequence. Okay, so write down probability. Write down probability. Is it audible to everyone? So probability means the chance of the occurrence, the chance of the occurrence of an event, the chance of occurrence of an event. For example, whenever you throw a die, whenever you throw a dice, the possible outcomes are that may be 1, that may be 2, that may be 3, that may be 4, that may be 5, or that may be 6. Yes? Clear? For example, what is the probability that to get exactly 1? What is the probability that to get exactly 2, exactly 3, exactly 4, exactly 5, exactly 6 is always same. Whatever the chances are there to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is same, equal. Okay. The probability of any event is always from 0 to 1, always from 0 to 1. If the probability of event is equal to 0, the probability of event is equal to 0, that event will never occur. That is called impossible event. That is called what? Impossible event. Whenever the probability of any event is equal to 1, then it is called sure event. That event compulsory occur. That event compulsory occur. But we use the word event. What is the meaning of event? So event is the cornerstone for the probability. Event is the heart of the probability. Okay. So without defining an event, we can't find the probability. We can't find the probability. Clear? So whenever you throw a coin, the event is to get a head, or the event is to get a tail, like that. So event is to get the head, or event is to get the tail. That is one event. No, that is one event. Without defining an event, we can't find the probability. Clear, all of you? Okay. So the probability of a person, a baby born is a boy. The probability of a baby is a boy is 1/2. Baby is a girl is also 1/2. The way of approach is, for example, what is the probability that the baby born is a boy? What is the answer? Baby born is a boy. What is the probability? 1/2 is your answer. what is the probability that the baby born is not a boy? Is not a boy. So whenever that is not a boy means, that is not a boy means, that is the negative event now. That is the negative event. The probability of that baby born is not a boy is also 1 by 2. Is also 1 by 2. The probability that the baby born is not a boy means compulsory that baby born is a girl. Yes. So always the probability that event plus the probability that the event will not occur is always equal to 1. The total probability to get the event to not occurring an event is always equal to 1. So P of any event is equal to 1 minus P of E dash. 1 minus P of E dash. Okay. So write down. Write down. Probability of probability of probability of any event, probability of any event is always from 0 to 1, is always from 0 to 1, is always from 0 to 1. If the probability of the event is equal to 0, if the probability of the event is equal to 0, if the probability of the event is equal to 0, the type of event is called impossible event. The type of event is called impossible event. It means that event will never occur. That event will never occur. That event will never occur. Next one. If the probability of any event is equal to 1, probability of any event is equal to 1, then it is called sure event. 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 Okay. So write down. Probability means the chance of occurrence of an event. Probability means the chance of occurrence of an event. Probability means the chance of occurrence of an event. Okay, clear? So write down last one. Probability of event is equal to number of times that the event will occur number of times that the event will occur by by total number of times of an experiment. Total number of times of an experiment. Total number of times of an experiment. Okay. Next one. Next point. The probability of an event. The probability of an event plus the probability of the negative event E dash is always equal to 1. Is always equal to 1. From that P of E is equal to 1 by P of E is equal to 1 minus 1 minus P of E dash 1 minus P of E dash. One minus P of E dash. Okay. So there are different models related to probability: coins, dice, balls. Okay. Some general examples also. So I want to give more number of examples, nearly 15 to 16. So try to focus on each and every model first of all. Whenever they give the easy example, don't spend more time. Whenever the general examples, we have to spend some time. There is no problem with the coins. There is no problem with the dice. Okay. So within 10-15 minutes, we may solve the problems related to coins and dice. Write down. An unbiased dice is tossed. An unbiased dice is tossed an unbiased dice is tossed. Find the probability of getting find the probability of getting okay. So whenever you throw a dice, the possible outcomes of an experiment. What is an experiment here? To throw a die is an experiment. Whenever you throw a die, the possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. it means that the total number of outcomes of an experiment is 6 months, and event is to get a multiple of 3. Total, how many are multiples of 3 among 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6, 4 comma 5 comma 6, 3 comma 6, only 2 times 1. The probability is 2 by 6. The total number of times that event will occur is 2 by the total possibilities of outcomes out experiment is 6, 1 by 3. Is it audible to everyone? Next one. Next one. Is it audible or not? Next one. In a simultaneous of 2 dice, in a simultaneous of 2 dice, in a simultaneous of 2 dice, what is the probability of getting, what is the probability of getting what is the probability of getting a total of 10 or 11? Okay. So whenever you want to get total outcomes of 2 dice, for 1 die 6, for 2 dice it is not 12 now, it is 6 square 36. So how can you get 36? For example, on first die, if it is the 1, on second die that may be 2, that may be 1, that may be 2, that may be 3, like that. It means that 1 1 1 2, on first die 1 more, on second die that may be 1, that may be 2, that may be 3, that may be 4, that may be 5, that may be 6. On first die, if it is 2, 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6. If it is 3, 3 1 3 2 3 4 3 5 3 6, 4 1 4 2, 5 1 5 2, 6 1 6 2. That is the reason for every number there are 6 possible outcomes. 1 1 1 2, 2 1 2 2, 3 1 3 2, like that. So total 6 square 36 outcomes are there. For 1 dice 6, for 2 dice 6 square, for 3 dice 6 cube. And to get a multiple of 10 or 11, it means that to get a multiple, to get a total of 10 or 11, it means that 4 comma 6, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5. Okay, so there are only 5 possibilities. Those are 4 6, 4 plus 6 10 more. That is one possibility. Okay, 5 5, 5 6, that may be 10 or 11. 6 4, 6 5. So total 5 possibilities. Probability means 5 by 36. Only 5 times you may get 10 or 11 out of 36 times. 5 by 36 is the answer. Okay. Next one. Two dice are thrown together. Two dice are thrown together. What is the probability that? What is the probability that? What is the probability that the sum of the numbers on the two faces, sum of the numbers on the two faces is divisible by 4 or 6? Is divisible by 4 or 6? Is divisible by 4 or 6? Very clear. The total outcomes are for two dice 6 square 36. Okay, and to get the sum is a multiple of 4 or 6. 1 3 1 5 1 plus 3 4 1 plus 5 6 1. Like that you can follow one particular order. If it is on first die 2 2 2 2 4 2 6 possible, 3 1 3 3 3 5 possible, multiple of 4 or 6 ma. Multiple of 4 is 4 8 12. 6 multiples are 6 comma 12, like that. So total how many are multiples of 4 or 6? 14. The probability is 14 by 36. 14 by 36. Okay. 14 by 36 means 2 7 year to 18 year. 7 by 18. Next one. In a single throw of a die, whenever we have to throw only single die, the possible outcomes are 6 only. What is the probability of getting a number greater than 4? So greater than 4. Greater than 4 means that maybe 5 or 6 na? Okay. So 2 by. Okay. Next one 1 by 3 ma. What is the probability of getting? What is the probability of getting a sum 9 from two throws of a dice? Okay. So to get a sum 9 from both the dice, nothing but very clear the total outcomes are 36. Out of that, to get a sum of 9 on both the dice is 3, 6, 4, 5, 5, 4, 6, 3. Not a multiple of 9. 9. Yeah. Next one, coins related. If a coin is tossed twice, if a coin is tossed twice, what is the probability that it will land tails both the time? It will land tails both the times. It will land tails both the times. Okay. So whenever a coin is tossed twice, first time head, head, second time head, first time head, tail, or tail head, or tail tail. These are the four possibilities. These are the four possibilities. Okay. So whenever out of four possibilities, if on both the times tails, nothing but only one possibility. So out of 4, only one outcome. The answer is 1 by 4. Okay. Next one. If a coin is tossed twice, same model. If a coin is tossed twice, automatically the possible outcomes are 4. For one coin, 2 outcomes, head or tail. For 2 coins, 2 square, 4, head, 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 tail, tail, head, tail, tail. What is the probability that it will land either heads both the times or tails both the times? And means into, or means plus. Did you remember in permutations and combinations? Okay. So to get a head both the times is only 1 by 4, plus r means plus. Tails both the times means 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 2 by 4 is the correct answer now. 1 by 2. Okay. Next one. At least means what is the meaning, ma? At least means minimum. So greater than or equal to means at least. Less than or equal to means at most. At most means minimum. 3 unbiased coins are tossed. 3 unbiased coins are tossed. What is the probability of getting? What is the probability of getting at least 2 heads? At least 2 heads. At least 2 heads. Okay. At least means minimum 2. So minimum 2 means that may be 2 or 3. Minimum 2, that may be 2 or 3. Whenever we throw 3 coins, the possible outcomes are 2 power 3, 8 mark. Those 8 outcomes are these: head, 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 tail, head to tail, head, head to tail, 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 head, head, tail, head to tail, tail, head, tail, tail, tail. These are the 8 outcomes. For 1 coin, 2, for 2 coins, 2 power 2, for 3 coins, 2 power 3, 8 more. Okay. So if you want to get two hits, the total possibilities are how many? This is two heads, this is also two heads, and this is also two heads. Total three. Are three heads nothing but only one time. So total how many? 4 out of 8. Nothing but 1 by 2. Okay, next one. R means plus, and means into. At most means minimum or maximum. At most means maximum 2. Maximum 2 means that may be 2 or that may be 1 or that may be 0. Yes, do it fast. So 3 coins again. The possible outcomes are 8 only. Okay. So previously already we know 2 heads nothing but only 3 times. R means plus, 1 head means 3 times again. Plus 0 heads nothing but all are tails automatically. 0 heads nothing but all are tails. 1 time. So total 3 plus 3 plus 1. 7 times out of 8. Okay. What is the answer? 7 by 8. Understand each and every step in the calculation. Every time don't write each and every step properly in exam point of view. A card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards. A card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards. The probability of getting a queen of club, the probability of getting a queen of club or a king of heart is Okay. So write down first of all cards related ma. So total in a deck there are 52 cards. Out of that, red color and black color, red color 26 and black color 26 more. Red color how many? 26 and black color also 26. Clear? These red color is also divided into two. First one is the heart and the second one is the diamond. Black is also having two types. First one is the club and the second one is the spade. Total 26, heart 13 and diamond is also 13. Black 26 means club 13 and spade 13. Those 13 cards are A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, 10, J, Q, K. Those are 13 cards now. Those are 13 cards. Among that, J, Q, K are called face cards. J, Q, K are called face cards. For every suit, heart is the one suit, diamond is the one more suit. For every suit, there are 3 face cards. Like that, total how many face cards in a deck? 12 face cards are there. Total how many face cards? Na? 12 face cards are there. Okay. Clear? How many queens relate to diamond? Only one. Here, total 52. Very clear. Out of that, you have to draw only one card. The total possible outcomes are the total possible outcomes of an experiment is 52C1. 52C1. That is the total. Okay. Whenever you are getting a queen that is related to club, there is only one queen that is related to club. R means plus a king of heart. There is only one king related to the heart. 1 plus 1 how much? 2. 2 by 52. That is the correct answer. 2 by 52 means 1 by 26. Do it first. Okay. Next one. One card is drawn at random. One card is drawn at random. From a pack of 52 cards, from a pack of 52 cards, so if you draw that card is a face card. Total how many face cards are there? 12. So total how many face cards? 12. So there are 12 face cards out of 52. What is the probability? 12C1 by 52C1. 12 by 52. 12 by 52. 4 3 jar, 4 13 jar. Okay. Same model ma. One more example. Only one card is drawn. That is there is only one card we have to draw. That card is a diamond or a king. So total, how many diamond cards are there? 13 diamond cards are there. Okay. Total, how many diamond cards? 13. How many kings are there? 4. But already in 13 diamonds, there is only one king. Na? There is only one king. Na? Yes. So that is the reason we can take into consideration only 3. So total 13 plus 3, 16 by 52. Okay. Next one. From a pack of 52 cards, from a pack of 52 cards, so if you have to draw 2 cards, the total outcomes are 52 C2, 52 C2, okay. If you have to draw only two cards, 52 C2, both the cards should be kings. So total how many kings are there? 4 kings, 4 C2. Okay. Next one, 4 C2 by 52 C2. Next one. A bag contains 6. A bag contains 6 black and 8 white balls. One ball is drawn at random. What is the probability that the ball drawn is white? What is the probability that the ball drawn is white? So total 8 balls are there. Na? If you have to draw only one ball, that should be the white. 8 7 possibilities out of 6 plus 8, 14 outcomes total. Okay. Next one. In a box, there are 8 red. Eight red, 7 blue, 6 green balls. One ball is picked up randomly. One ball is picked up randomly. What is the probability that it is neither red nor green? Neither red nor green. There is only one ball. We have to pick it up randomly. So neither red nor green means that is not red, that is not green. That should be blue compulsory. So there is only 7 blue balls are there now. So if you pick it up one ball, that should be blue. 7C1 by total 21, 21C1. Seven C1 by 21C1. 7 by 21, 1 by 3. Okay. So any doubt up to that mark? No one can respond properly. Okay. Thank you, ma. Thank you all.